In 1951, Dan Shetron opened Shetron's Tire Service Shop on North Earl Street. Dealing exclusively with Kelly's brand tires, he began a business with a simple premise: provide outstanding service and customers will always be there. By 1962, business was booming and Shetron needed a larger operating space. He set his eyes on a large vacant lot on West Orange Street. 100 years ago, this area was a farm, but it had since fallen out of use. Shetron knew that this land had the potential to serve the Shippensburg community again. He opened the shop that still stands there today. 12 garage bays keep tires rolling and customers smiling in regular succession. For the character at Shetron's Tire Service is designed to be quirky and humorous. Along the waiting room wall, Polaroids of employees joking around and of comical signs are posted for customers to view. Dan Shetron believed that there are many ways to keep customers happy. Humor and laughter are two techniques frequently used at the shop. Today, some things have changed at Shetron's Tire Service. However, the tires and the heart of the business remain the same. Shetron's Tire Service, an Orange Street mainstay for 50 years and counting.